Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a discount or promo coupon code, this video is for you.
In this video, we're taking a look at Submagic, an AI-powered tool designed to make video editing faster and easier. Submagic automatically creates captions, adds relevant emojis, and highlights important words to make videos more engaging. It also includes over 8 caption styles, including the popular Hormozy style format. To help your videos reach more people, Submagic can generate video descriptions and hashtags in seconds. It also supports team collaboration and allows you to add B-roll footage from platforms like Storyblocks. Overall, Submagic helps creators save time and produce professional-looking videos with less effort.
To get started, visit the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.